What if I told you that there is a way to make your money pay you again and again? In this video, I will break down exactly how to invest in dividend stocks, even if you're starting with almost nothing. It doesn't matter whether the market goes up, down, or sideways. That is how dividend stock investing works. While most people are looking at stock prices and business news surrounding the stocks in their portfolio, smart investors focus on cash flow. This is money that shows up in their account just for owning quality businesses. In this video, I will show you how to invest in dividend stocks step by step. Let's get into it. Dividend investing is not about getting rich overnight. It is about consistent income, long-term wealth, lower stress investing, and letting companies pay you while doing nothing except to invest. Some of the most successful investors in history love dividends, not because they are boring, but because they work. Here is the idea. The more stocks, the more dividends. The more dividends, the more stocks. As a beginner investor, understanding dividends can completely change how you build wealth. Let's start with a very simple definition. A dividend is a portion of the company's profits paid directly to shareholders, usually every quarter. When you own dividend stocks, you get paid regularly, you still benefit from stock price growth, and you can reinvest those payments to buy more shares. Think of dividend stocks like rent, paying properties in the stock market. You own the asset pays you. Why is dividend investing so powerful? Let me give you three major advantages. The first one, it is predictable income. Many dividend companies have a long history of paying dividends, some for decades. Secondly, it is compounding. When you reinvest dividends, you buy more shares, which then pay more dividends. This creates a snowball effect. And lastly, you have emotional stability. Dividend investors tend to panic less during market crashes because they're still getting paid. Let's talk about dividend yield, what it is and what to watch out for. One of the first number people look at is dividend yield. To illustrate what dividend yield is annual dividend divided by stock price. Sounds simple, but this is where beginners get trapped. A very high yield can be a red flag. The company might be struggling, the dividend might be unsustainable, or a cut could be coming. Professionals don't chase the highest yield. They look for, first, sustainable payouts, stable earnings, and long-term growth. A moderate, reliable dividend is usually better than a flashy one that disappears. The next thing that beginner investors should look out is payout ratio. This is the most important metric, but most investors ignore this. If you remember one technical term from this video, make it this one. So payout ratio is the percentage of profits paid as dividends. Why does this matter? Because a company paying out 90% of profits has little room for trouble. A company paying 40 to 60% has flexibility and safety. Healthy payout ratios mean dividends are more likely to grow, and dividends are less likely to be cut. Here is one thing. Dividend growth matters more than dividend size. Here's a secret most beginners don't hear. A small dividend that grows every year can be more powerful than a large dividend that never increases, because dividend growth protects you from inflation. Second, signals strong business health, And lastly, it increases income without adding new money. Some companies have increased dividends every year for 10, 20, even 50 years. That consistency matters. Here is how to build a dividend portfolio step by step. Here's a simple approach that works for beginners and professionals alike. Step 1. Start with quality companies. Look for strong cash flow, stable industries, and have long dividend history. Step 2. You ought to diversify. Don't rely on one sector. You should mix different sectors like consumer staples, financials, utilities. Step 3. Reinvest dividends. This is where real magic happens, especially early on. Step 4. You should stay consistent. Dividend investing rewards patience and consistency, not excitement. Let me share with you some dividend investing mistakes so that you can avoid it at all cost. First, chasing high yields, ignoring company fundamentals, then putting all money into one stock, then selling during market dips, and lastly, expecting quick results. Dividend investing is a marathon and not a sprint. Here is a bonus tip. Dividends are not just for retirees. This is a total myth. Young investors can benefit even more because they have time to compound, they can reinvest aggressively, and lastly, they build future income early on. If this video helped you understand dividend investing better, act now. Like this video so more people can learn how to invest wisely. Then subscribe to the channel for simple, real-world investing education. Comment below, are you investing for income, growth, or both? Remember, you don't need hundreds of stocks. You don't need perfect timing. You need quality, patience, and consistency. Let your investments pay you. I'll see you in the next video.